Good evening, everyone. My name is Maggie Shannon, and this year I've had the privilege of leading the Lauditude team as part of the Monash Law Ambassador program. To briefly outline, our vision was to connect law students to their dream legal career, igniting their passion and equipping them with skills to connect with future employers. Our mission was to provide educational and accessible resources to improve graduate employment applications. So, with a set vision and mission statement, the team was ready to tackle 2024. This year, the Lauditude team started with a brand redesign. We wanted to ensure that the brand had a professional front to it. We decided the best way to achieve this sophisticated look was to modify the logo to what is now presented in the top left-hand corner of the screen. With a new face, the next step was to promote. The team decided that the most effective way to do this was to delegate. So we split up the Lauditude team into 3 subgroups: website, social media, and events planning. Firstly, we began by producing an entirely new website. The website, as you will see on the following slide, has a more simplistic and user-friendly layout, with minimal tabs and distractions. Importantly, our new website features a new initiative, our blog, launched in the second half of this year, where we've already managed to produce 3 posts. Moving on to social media, our main goal this year was to utilise this medium as a means of increasing brand awareness. Starting from scratch also, the social media subgroup worked hard to build up an Instagram following of over 550 accounts, as well as developing a business page on LinkedIn, for our work to be shared on both a social and professional platform. Finally, the events planning team put in tremendous work to put together a completely new initiative, the 2024 Lauditude Employability Skills Workshop. We had a diverse panel discussion on ways for students to enhance their employability, with numerous esteemed panellists, including a barrister, principal lawyer, 3 commercial lawyers, and an in-house counsel. The event had a good turnout, with 17 tickets sold, enough to have some money to offer light catering to our attendees and panellists. Here are some of the visuals of our website and social media platforms. Further details are provided at the bottom of our page in the program booklet. Now, in terms of our goals for next year, Lauditude would love to see the continuation of our social media presence by boosting following and continuing posting. Further, we hope to see the development of our website, in particular the blog, providing students with resourceful information. Finally, the team would love to see the workshop event, or something of a similar nature, continue on into 2025. Specifically, this goal would require more tailored budgeting and event promotion to ensure higher ticket sales. So that's it for Lauditude's 2024 recap. On behalf of the team, I would like to thank everyone involved for your support. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So you mentioned that you've done the rebrand and you've made your website a little bit more user-friendly.
Yeah.
What was the basis for that in terms of what are people visiting your platform for? What are they looking at, and why did you feel like making a more user-friendly database or website interface was necessary for?
So our group obviously carried on from work done by the 2023 cohort, and from there was actually no website to start with, so we built one from scratch. We wanted to carry over a lot of what the 2023 group had worked on in the previous year, and we thought the best way to do that was to incorporate it in our website. Obviously, our goal is to provide students with educational resources and information to help guide them towards their particular career goals, and obviously having a more simple layout on the website, as I said, with just minimal tabs, and obviously incorporating the blog, which can be updated regularly, we thought would be the best way to achieve that central goal to Lauditude.
Great. And in terms of your prospect of networking and networking events, again, quite a saturated space.
Yeah.
What's your edge? Why are people coming to you guys in order to understand how to network, where to go? Like, why would they come to you as opposed to one of these other initiatives or something else that's being offered out there?
Yeah, absolutely. I agree. The team really wanted to make quite an authentic event, something obviously that's different to what the other teams here are doing, what other universities, law student societies are doing. And we thought by producing an employability skills workshop, it would be a bit more of an interactive event rather than just sitting there listening. We had decided to have quite a structured set of questions so it would give students something to take home with them. And also the fact that we had a diverse panel with, different backgrounds and experiences, it would provide students with a lot of different perspectives in terms of pursuing a particular career.
Great,
Thank you. Thank you.